Top 5 Mini Pocket Gadgets you need right now. Hey there, gadget enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of mini pocket gadgets. Compact, convenient, and oh so cool. From tiny but mighty tech to innovative innovations that fit right in your pocket, we've got the top 5 mini gadgets you need in your life. Let's jump right in. 1. Mini Portable Projector. First up, we have the Mini Portable Projector, your ticket to cinema-quality entertainment wherever you go. With a compact design and powerful projection capabilities, this pocket-sized gadget lets you enjoy movies, videos, and presentations in stunning clarity, anytime, anywhere. 2. Keychain Power Bank. Next on our list is the Keychain Power Bank, a lifesaver for anyone constantly on the move. This miniature powerhouse packs a punch, providing emergency charging for your smartphone, tablet, or other devices while you're out and about. Never be caught with a dead battery again. 3. Mini Bluetooth Speaker. Say hello to the Mini Bluetooth Speaker, the perfect companion for your adventures. Despite its small size, this pocket-friendly gadget delivers impressive sound quality, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes with friends, whether you're at the beach, camping, or having a picnic in the park. 4. Pocket-sized multi-tool. Every gadget lover needs a reliable multi-tool, and this pocket-sized marvel has it all. From screwdrivers and bottle openers to knives and scissors, this compact multi-tool is like having a toolbox in your pocket. It's perfect for tackling DIY projects, making repairs on the go, or simply being prepared for any situation. 5. Miniature Drone. Last but not least, we have the miniature drone, a tiny marvel of technology that unlocks a whole new world of aerial photography and videography. Despite its small size, this pocket-sized drone boasts advanced features like HD cameras, GPS navigation, and intelligent flight modes, allowing you to capture stunning aerial footage with ease. And there you have it. 5 mini pocket gadgets that are sure to enhance your life in more ways than one. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, outdoor adventurer, or just someone who loves cool gadgets, these compact wonders have something for everyone. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech-tastic content. Until next time, stay gadget savvy.